Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Hello and welcome, dear students, to a new lesson which is on prefixes. First of all, the objectives of this lesson is to understand what is meant by the term prefix and to recognize and spell the prefixes on and dis. First of all, what are prefixes? A prefix is a group of letters we add to the front of a word, and the prefixes change the meaning of the word. In this case, kind will become unkind, which is the opposite of the word. So adding un has altered the meaning, and the word has become its opposite meaning, and it has become an antonym. Another example for the prefix un: my mom was unwell at the weekend with a bad cold. Unwell here means not well. Jerry seemed unhappy that the cat was by his hole. So unhappy here means not happy. Now the prefix dis. Sally disagreed with Tom over who threw the snowball. She disagreed, which means she did not agree. How has the word meaning been altered with this prefix? Agree became disagree. Again, it's the opposite or the antonym. Another example for the prefix dis. Can you disable the alarm? It means to stop the work of the alarm. Disable. The following words, we are going to add the prefix un to these root words. So number one will be unfinished, which means not finished. Unpack, which is the opposite of pack. Unload, which is the opposite of load. Unwell, not well. Undo, the opposite of do. And unfit, which means not fit. What is the prefix that can be used in this case with these root words? Yes, you're right. It's the prefix dis. So we are going to add dis to colored, and it will become discolored, which means not colored. We can add it to like. It will be dislike, which means hate or does not like. Add it to please, it will become displease. And you will add it to approve, it will become disapprove, means not approve. Add it to order, it will become disorder. And finally add it to trust to become distrust. What about these root words? Is it un or dis? Of course, obey will become disobey. Belief will be disbelief. What about charge? Discharge. Yes. Approve, disapprove. Perfect. Appear, disappear. Agree, disagree. Well, unwell. Fit, unfit. And cover will be uncover. Now we are going to be dealing with re, de, and pre, different prefixes. First of all, the prefix re. Danny had to refill the bucket. What does it mean? He had to fill it again. So refill means fill again. Redo means do something again. Another example. The TV showed an action replay. So it's not the first play, it's a replay. Yet another example. Dad had to defrost the chicken before he put it in the oven. What did Dad have to do? He had to defrost, to remove the ice from the chicken. So it's the opposite of frost. Yet another example, the time to depart from the station had arrived. Depart here means leave a place. Depart. Now we start dealing with pre. What the meaning of pre? It means before. But like prehistoric animals. What are prehistoric animals? They are animals that lived in a period prehistory, before history, before recorded history. Another example, a prefix is fixed to the front of a word. What about these words? Is it re, de, or pre? Yeah, that's right. First word, deposit. Deface. Premature. It's not mature yet. Rearrange. Report. Till we meet again in the second part of the video, goodbye and good luck.